So guys, I went over there. This is just a piece of teak, okay, and we can use this for a stop block. Big thing though, guys, on a stop block is you want to make sure. It's pretty warped.
Make sure it's not warped.
That'll work. You want to make sure that this end is square. So go ahead and square up the end, just like we did. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to set that piece that I cut that we know is 9 inches, and I'm going to stick my stop block in here. And then the reason with this table, we're going to clamp it way back here. What do we do with the big C-clamp?
The mouse has Love that seat clamp. Mighty Mouse.
That's not going to work.
What?
That's probably not going to work. Okay, grab me a smaller C-clamp.